welcome to another video. Today I'm going to DIY this boho wall hanging totally from scratch. So let's get started. Before we jump into the video, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn the notification bell on so you'll get notified about my future videos. I found this branch by the roadside. It is almost 4 feet long. Now I take some twine and put it horizontally on this stick and start wrapping it around. At the end, tie a knot. Repeat it on the other side. For the hanging part, we need wool of different colors, some lace, and I also cut strips of some old fabric. Then I take the strips of fabric and start tying it on the stick. I'm not following any pattern, just totally doing it randomly. And I also added wool of different colors. Then I added pieces of lace between the wool. Separately, I take some yarn and a yarn needle, put some pom-poms in the yarn, add little difference. At the end, I add some colorful feathers to complete that boho vibe. Then I place them at the top of the lace. Our wall hanging is completed. To convert this empty space into a floor sitting area, I lay down a rug with some floor cushions and throw pillows and added the wall hanging above it. And it's done. Here we go. If you like our video, make sure to hit the thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for other DIYs.